This is one of my favorite topics, advanced wiring diagrams designed to help with the most challenging electronic and component issues. How are those, diagrams and Identifix helping your technicians in your shops now?
We're out here trying to compete with the higher scale clients. I can without a doubt tell you that I trust that Identifix is going to put that wiring information directly from the OE. Not only just, and a prime example would be if you're a technician, you know that GM does not have the best wiring diagrams in the world. They're good, they're rudimentary, they're black and white, but the way that y'all not translate them, you more like impose them into a color scheme. You convert them to a more readable material that allows my technicians in the field, the CVA, to be able to compete with the OEs because you have that information available to us.